but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen to that. Even almost got married.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I am going to be doing a soft glam because one of my friends, just a couple people asked me, can I do a soft glam look? So I have bought some stuff from Ulta, and as you guys can see, I am taking a Morphe eyebrow pencil. It came off a little gray to me. It came off gray really in the lighting that I had. I mean, it was a cool pencil. It got the job done, but I really needed a darker shade or brownish shade. Next, I'm just going to clean up the eyebrows with the concealer. You want to get a flat brush, like a flat brush, and I really don't be wanting to clean this brush because it, the more product it has, the more build up it has as well, because it's flat. Like, the brush is flat, everything is flat, and you could clean up your brows. I stopped cleaning up the top of my brows because I don't like to put the concealer there. If anything, if I do clean up the top part of my brows, I will use my foundation shade. I'm going to just be taking my beauty blender that I got from the beauty supply store and just, blending that concealer. So I have this Daisy palette from BH Cosmetics. Well, I bought it from Ulta, sorry, but it is from BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to take some of that Fenty concealer and I'm going to blend it into my eyeshadow. This is going to be my eyeshadow base for the day. So everything in this video is going to be very, very affordable. Brushes, palettes, you name it, everything is affordable. I don't know everything off rip, but I would definitely put it in the description box below. I just want to show you guys that you can achieve a beautiful look with products that doesn't cost the arm and a leg. So in that Daisy palette, forgot her last name, I think it's Marquez, but in her palette she has this deep dark brown shade that I used to do at the outer corner of my crease. And then I took this Makeup Revolution palette and I just added that sort of burgundy, that light burgundy shade right next to it. And when you are blending colors together, you want to make sure your blend game is key. Like, my arms be hurting, sweeties, when I be blending these colors together, because it looks funny when you add a color to the next color and it's not blended in. It just look like one color. Next, there was a shimmer shade in that palette, and I'm just going to add that. I'm just going to add that shimmer shade right in the inner corner of my eye. See, we only use 3 shades. We're not using too many shades on our eyelids today. So that tan color up top, I'm just going to clean up the top, make sure there's definition, and you're going to see me tap into like this orangey shade sorta, just so I could have a deeper crease. I'm just going to tap into that color because these colors are very, very, very pigmented, and I didn't want those colors to overpower the colors that I have at the bottom. Now, going in with this Colourpop eyeliner, oh my god. First of all, I was praying the whole time before I even did this, because I am not good with eyeliner. You guys do not really see me eyeliner like that because I am not good with it, but this helped so much. Like, and is it creamy that I would say? I wouldn't say creamy, but like, it gets the job done. Like, I'm not good on eyeliner, but this, if you are a beginner, because to be honest with you, I am still a beginner with eyeliner, honey, this will get the job done, okay? So I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera. Voila, I'm back. Now, to moisturize my skin, I do use Coco Butter because it still feels like winter to me, but we are in spring, but I still need to have that moisture to my skin because lately I've been really dry. So I never used this product before. This is the e.l.f. Primer. I think it's poreless primer. They said that this is sort of like the Tatcha, but maybe I'll just use the primer before, like, and not so much of like a heavy moisturizer, because I don't know if it did anything to my skin. It probably did. Yeah, so had to go buy a new foundation. This is the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I am in the shade Mahogany, so I'm going to use that foundation all over my skin. Next, I'm going to take a beauty blender and tap it into my skin. I started using bag beauty blenders. I need to go get more beauty blenders, and I love soft beauty blenders. Like, I can't mess with those hard beauty blenders. Like, that's how you know the beauty blender is not a good beauty blender, when it's hard. You need a soft beauty blender, like that gets the job done. You see how I'm going across my eyebrows? Like, I don't need no concealer on top of my eyebrows. But you guys may think that my foundation color might be a little bit different from my skin, but my foundation color matches my chest because my chest is darker than my face. My face is really light. I don't like putting light foundation on my face. I end up looking like a ghost. So now I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty concealer. I forgot the shade name, but everything will be in the description box below. So I really like this concealer. In my previous video, you guys saw me use the Juvia's Place concealer, and I always wondered why I was becoming so oily no matter how much powder I put on. And I spoke with one of these beauty gurus on Instagram, and she told me that concealer has so much oil in it. So just pay attention to when you buy in certain products, because it might not be you, it might not be the way you apply, it just might be the products in itself. So now I'm going to bronze up the skin using my BH Cosmetics bronzer and Brilliance bronzer, or bronzer babe, or bronze babe. And this is my holy grail. I'm just taking a BH Cosmetics brush, and I am going to bronze up the skin. I love this bronzer. This has been my favorite bronzer. It is very affordable. It's probably like $6. Like, this bronzer is really everything, you guys. Like, if you want to go on the cheaper route, I know you guys like other bronzers and stuff like that, but if you love affordable products, this is one for you. I know Makeup Revolution have bronzers as well, so you guys could check on that on Ulta, and you know, like, or BH Cosmetics, like I said. Now, for setting powder, this is my holy grail. This is not cheap at all. I am sorry. I have yet to find, like, I have the Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder, but this melts into my skin. This Fenty Beauty powder, like, I don't know. I'm not really big on the whole yellow look and things like that. Like, with my setting powder being yellow, I thought I was, but you have to keep in mind, like, some of these products make you have flashback and everything. You could have a great foundation base and everything like that, and then when you put certain powders in your face, it just have a crazy flashback, and we don't want flashback, honey. We want to look set. Like, this powder, like, I had this powder for mad long, so I feel like sometimes with certain products, you just have to spend that little extra coin just so you could get what you're looking for, okay? So as you can see, I'm just setting my face. I set under my eyes, and I did reverse contour. You know, put the setting powder under my contour so I can have a crisp contour line. And I took a eyeshadow brush, and I'm doing my nose contour. Like, I haven't found any brush that is good for my nose contour until I had this little black brush, and it helps so well with me doing my contour. Like, you ladies don't have to have these crazy products. You could have, you know, some products and get the job done. Now, I did my under eyes with the same colors I did at the top. And now when it comes to blush, guys, I do not waste money on blush because I really feel like you do not have to. Half of these palettes have like a reddish shade, a peachy shade, whatever shade is good for you. I do not use pink blush. Like, I don't care how light skinned I am, I hate pink blush. And I just put the shadow on my face. It acts like a blush. And I have the Wet n Wild coconut setting spray, and I just set that all over my face. Now I'm going to show you an easy way to put on your eyelashes, guys. The way I learned, I put and I just started doing this method a few months ago. I put I get the glue that has the wand, because you just need that. This helps out so much. Have the glue that has the wand, and I put the glue very, 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 very close to my eyelashes, and then I put another coat of glue on the lashes itself, and then I put it on my eyes. Your eyelashes won't be going anywhere. You will have your eyelashes stuck on your face all day, all night, going to the club. Well, we can't go to the club now, but you know, going to the club or whatever. So now I have bought 2 highlighters from Colourpop from Ulta, and it's from Revolution, Makeup Revolution. So I didn't know that it would be coming out a little golden. It does not look golden in the package, but I chose the one on the left. Yeah, I chose the one on the left, and it was pretty. Not something I would go for, but it was really pretty. I took a baby wipe and I'm cleaning off my lips. This is key. When you want this concoction that I'm about to show you, you have to have clean lips. Okay, so now I'm just putting highlighter, down the bridge of my nose and my forehead and everything like that. Okay, I love highlighter all over my face. It just wakes me up. Like, makeup wakes me up. Now I'm just going to take a brown liner pencil, not eyeshadow pencil, but brown liner, and I'm just going to line my lips. I don't need to overline my lips. I think I'll be sometimes, like, I will overdraw my lips. I don't know if I do this, but yeah, so I try to just line my lips with the shape of my lips, if that makes any sense. Now I have this lipstick from Makeup Revolution. It's really pretty and really creamy. I don't really wear lipstick like that, but yeah. So this is my nude concoction. This is my face. I hope you guys love this soft glam, and I will definitely see you guys in another video. Bye, my yelly babies.